Well, if any of you have been driving through DuBois, you've probably noticed a large construction site happening on Maple Avenue. Well, it's part of a multi-million-dollar expansion project by Penn Highlands DuBois of their behavioral health hospital. Now, our Yanni Trugelis spoke with those involved. He joins us live right now in Clearfield County. So, Yanni, on top of bringing hundreds of jobs to the area, why is this so important?
Matt, well, it's going to offer a multitude of new services, some that right now you would have to travel all the way to Pittsburgh for.
There seems to be an increasing need for psychiatric services, inpatient and outpatient, throughout the Commonwealth.
The 3-floor expansion will include same-day walk-in services on the first floor, a 22-bed acute child service center on the second floor, and the third floor will be home to extended stays for children and adolescents, up to 90 days. Nano says the hospital receives thousands of referrals for behavioral health services per year, and this will allow them to accommodate their needs.
We see a lot of people that present to our emergency department, for instance, in some kind of acute crisis, but yet don't really meet criteria, really don't need to go into an inpatient admission, but also can't wait to see a physician or a therapist.
Nearly 1 year into construction on the building, the end is in sight.
Project's going well. We're on schedule. Weather permitting, we're hoping to wrap up the exterior by the end of summer and the whole facility by 1st of March.
The 50,000 square foot addition will create about 200 new jobs at the hospital, from psychiatrists to mid-level practitioners, PAs, and registered nurses. This fully staffed behavioral health team is essential for adding that same-day service to those in need.
This way they'll be able to come over to this building and see a therapist that same day, come up with a crisis plan to hold them until they can see their primary provider.
So Penn Highlands recruiting efforts are underway to fill those 200-plus jobs to find staff that will call this hospital home. In DuBois, Yanni Trugelis, WTAJ News.
Thank you, Yanni.